Oh yeah, the reset stats one. I gotta go back to that. It's right here. We will, let's see, the load start page.low. It plays the audio. This is how you play an audio file. It has to be in the debug section of your folder. See, debug right there, and those are the wave files of all the audios. So that's what those are in the debug, and it has to be a wave file. Bring this back up. It will play that whenever you load the game, and it's the same music all the way up to the boss battle, and then plays the boss battle music. Then when you get to the win music, it plays the win music. This is, if it's the first time you've played the game, it'll check to see if that file exists, and if it does, it'll read all this stuff into the data page. So it reads per line, writes it to the corresponding text box that I have it in, and it's just per line you make it into whatever text box you want. So, and if the file doesn't exist, it creates the file into a text file. So I'm gonna try to move that out of the way and go to something real quick. Delete. I don't really want to show you all my files, but I just want to show you. See, it writes to the C drive, and with a name, mouse escape, data. That's all it is. This is my C drive. As you can see, there's no mouse escape data here. I'm not going through all the folders because I don't want you to know what all's on my computer. Nothing against y'all, just I want to protect my privacy. And it writes all the stuff to a text file that is in the data page. So it would write per line, you know, false, true, 0, false, true, 0, false, true, 0, all the way down to this true down here. And you want to do control char dot new line to make a new line in the text file. So, and you just write it, and whenever you refer to another form, just put the form that you want it to refer to, the item in the form, which is the first one label, and then the text in the first one. Writes all that to a text file, and the first time you've opened the game is set to false, obviously. So I deleted the mouse escape data from there, so whenever I load the game again, it should reload it up. You can see whenever the game starts, the mouse escape data will pop up. There it went. And there's the game. Level select. Since I deleted the stuff there, none of it is unlocked because I deleted it. Let me just beat level 1. See, there's my stats for level 1. I completed it, so the label blocking the picture box went away. It kept my time 11 seconds. Back to main menu, reset stats. The message box asking you if you're sure you want to reset. If you click no, it'll keep the stats there. Nothing's changed. But if you click yes, all stats reset, and everything that you unlocked, everything that you did is gone. And when you bring back up the game, it'll still be gone. So, that's the wrong one. And like I said, this is just a text file. So you open it up, and there's all the values. for everything. So if you really wanted to, you could say you wanted to get to level 4 or something. This is the lines for level 4. And let's just change all the defaults for some reason. And say you want 33-second completion time for level 4. I think this will work. So when you open it up, it should have level 4 unlocked with 33 seconds. So it reads from that text file. So if you really wanted to unlock every level from the beginning, you could just do that. Reset stats, and it's gone. So it refers to stuff on this data page, which is read from the text file. And just my.computer.filesystem.write all text, declare the name of the file you want, where you want it, and just per line and per text box, just write like that. And if you want to read, dim reader as new system.io.streamReader, and it reads. You tell where you want it to read from, and it reads everything. You have a couple different options there, but you can read from line, read to end, read block, you know, a bunch of different stuff. But I do read line just because that's easier for me. I don't really know much about the stream reader stuff. I just looked this up on YouTube, how to do that. That's the first thing that popped up, so I'm like, hey, that'll work. This covered pretty much everything I have in Mouse Escape that I did. Hopefully that's what you guys were looking for in terms of a tutorial for this game. Maybe, hopefully, I helped you. And hopefully you can take something I taught you, maybe make your own Mouse Escape type game, or make your own game. And all the music in this game was actually made by me and a friend of mine, so it's all original stuff made in GarageBand on his MacBook. And we own everything with that game. I haven't found a place to put up the game yet. If I ever do, then I will put that up and let you guys download. But it's much more fun to make your own game. So just comment, rate, subscribe, and I appreciate you guys watching. And thank you, and I will see you in any other videos I make. Alright, bye.